So in this video I'm going to show you this dedicated airdrop that is named Napier points. With a couple of things you are seeing here, and they are maybe partner of this airdrop. Okay, what you need to do is I'm going to show you everything A to J, what you need, what you need to do, everything. So one link is I provided, that link is enough for joining in this airdrop. Connect with MetaMask, request both family bill limits on 100 points. Click on that link and that link will bring you inside of here. What you need to do inside of here, you need to connect your wallet. I've already connected, maybe you are seeing development page of here, but you need to have connect your wallet. Okay, just to connect and your Napier points will be show up here automatically. Okay, just click on that. Okay, I'm sorry, so sorry. So click on here and you are seeing that here is pipe Napier. So exactly click on that box that I'm clicking on, and here is they have their sorry sorry they have the join Liama quest on Napier points. So this page, so what you need to do is click on this join button. Okay, so I'm joining here launch Liama quest, so click on that. And chapter 2, here is family building mass. So connect your Twitter account first. Connect never be freak out. I'm saying never be freak out. If you want to get a dedicated video, please write down comment inside of this video. Say that I want this video. I definitely will reply you as well as I will respect your consumption. I will respect your comment. Okay. So anyhow, this video will close in 3 seconds. Wait a minute here. Not minute, couple of seconds maybe. Anyhow, I'm definitely out of finance. So yeah, it will be opened very soon. And see it. Now it's time to desktop. Right, if I do desktop, let me see what happened. Okay, raise the page and you have successfully voted. Okay, so click on this OK, and yeah, we did vote. So now what we need to do is chapter 1 what has, let me see, chapter 3, and let me see post. Okay, both family BLMS on 100 points. Let me see we get it or not. So click this sign, maybe take a little bit time, never be freak out about it. So yeah, it will be open, it will be entered. So never be freak out about anything at all. It is working. MetaMask will get open very soon. Just wait a minute here. Click on this sign in. Sign request. This site is requesting. Okay. So page would be open, and here you will see that your work has been done. Nothing, you need to do fancy type of thing. Straightforward, easy and straightforward. Okay, so we did follow, we did vote it already. So connect connect your wallet. We did connect. It is like it is okay. So it is so much boring because over and over again it is getting signing and pretty much fucked up here. So let me see it. What happened? Okay, so click on this sign and yeah, it will be open app.napier.finance. So verifying signature, it is being signature. Okay, so click on this provide liquidity. Okay, your board is in Napier and click on this provide liquidity. So here is, yeah, liquidity. I haven't maybe anything at all. Okay, I have so much low. So it is like it is. So you don't have to provide liquidity here. Just stay on. Just select Napier and that's it, because you don't need to waste your money inside of here. Okay, just do the quiz and that's it. That I did the entire video, that you don't need to do according to our post. Okay, we don't need to do provide liquidity. Okay, so just do select family and do vote and that